Okay, you better catch up with her, because I'm not going to catch her. Go. Come on, Cammy. Go, baby, go. She's so cute.
She's so mobile.
That's what Joey does.
Oh,
Look at her,
Svenja.
look at that. Aww.
Hello.
She's so cute.
She's so clawsy.
She needs a mouse clip.
Okay, I have you. I don't think she trusts me.
It's just instinct.
Yep.
She'll be clean.
Her dries so fast.
She's a water dog. She's starting to snort water.
She's stretching out. Woo! Lucy's like...
She looks like such a different dog.
I don't want to let her out because she'll get all muddy again.
Do I need to go grab a towel?
Towel.
You can just throw her back in when she gets all muddy. Hi, girl. She's okay. I've still got a booger.
She just smacked you. Yeah, she has an eye
It's not
booger.
like one of those teary booger things. I'm trying to get it out.
She looks like a little bear Yoda thing. Hi, baby.
I'm on land!
The other dog's like, what the heck?
Lucy's like, you splashed me, bitch. Just kidding. Ah! No.
You might want to dunk her again.